Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. I'm gonna be showing you the steps on how you can create or sign up into an online banking account of TSB. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So before we get started, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then open up your web browser. So once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.tsb.co.uk. You can also find this link on my description box below. So once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site or the profile page, and this is what the interface is going to look like. So right on this page, what you need to do is, in order to create an account, you can either tap on register in the top right. You can simply tap on register and start today, which is in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next page will be directed to application portal. In case if you want to register into business account, you can simply tap on the link that is here in order to expand it, and after that you'll be directed to the application portal. So once you're directed to this page, you need to scroll down and then make sure to go through all of these following information, and after that you can carry on with the application thing. Now the first thing what you need to do is you need to provide a title and then the first name and the last name. So after that you need to provide a date of birth associated with your ID, that is on your state ID or the driving license, and then you need to provide a UK postcode. In case if you live in some other part of the country apart from UK, then you can simply tap on I don't live in UK right over here, and then you'll have an alternative. And after that you also need to select the account type, and then you need to enter the code and then the account number. So once you do that, tap on continue, and on the other interface you need to provide your contact information. That includes entering your email or a phone number, and after that you also need to provide your billing address. So in order to verify, a verification code or a verification link will be sent, so you need to enter or you need to tap in the link, and after that you've successfully signed up into an online banking account of TSB. So that is how you can register into an online banking account of TSB. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.